Hey guys, coming at you today with another modification for this 2019 Silverado. Today we're going to try to install these new door pin locks. These are the pin locks that came with the car. See guys, these plastic pin locks. So we're going to change this plastic pin lock into these pin locks. See, guys, that look a lot better. Go with the rest of the chrome in the car. So all the things you guys are gonna need is I got this kit from Amazon. These pin locks. These are the chrome pieces that goes on the bottom. These are the stickers. What you guys are gonna need is some pliers. Okay. First of all, get the pliers. Twist it counterclockwise. Just turn it until it get loose. You can unscrew it with your hand. Guys, get your sticker, put it right here. First you have to take the M3 part off so it can stick. Then you get your little chrome piece. Bottom chrome piece, put it right there. Then you guys get your new pin and then screw that on. Just that simple, guys. Let me show you how it looks when it's up and when it's down. This is how it looks when it's up. And that's how it looks when it's down. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe so I can make some more modifications to this truck. And you guys be the first one to know. Like and subscribe. Thank you.